Hey guys, I'm back again, and it's your boy Steve FX right here. I want to bring to you Xauusd weekly chart breakdown. This is like episode of a video I do every week. Every week I just come up here on YouTube and I shout my bias for the week, what I expect for the week, and then as you can see my charts. Today is Monday actually. I didn't tweet, but I sent out the signal to my free signal channel for the general guys for the public to trade. I will show you guys before we get started for what we have for this week. So let me show you my Telegram channel. Yeah, so this is my Telegram channel, right? So you can see this is today. Sent out the signal. The sell limit. Sent out the signal, right? So immediately it got triggered. I told them. So I already knew that I wasn't trading today. You can read this. I wasn't trading today, but it was a good setup, so I had to send it out. So already here was around our TP1. So you can see it on the chart. So you can see the chart here. Immediately that thing triggered, already marked out here as RTB1, which was already smashed. So from the way it triggered, gold actually moved 160 pips on that trade. So no one actually took a loss on this trade because you can't allow 160 pips to finally come and turn to a loss. Yeah, so no one actually took a loss on this particular setup. We made profit, took out some profit here. Then the ones we're holding, it break even. So yeah, so that's how Monday went to the for the free guys. So tomorrow I'll be trading together with my inner circle. Maybe during the week I'll send out one free signal again, maybe. Yeah, so without wasting much time, I'm going to clear my charts now. So reasons why maybe some people will be looking at my chart. They want to be saying my past trade. No, no, no. As the strategy I use on Go doesn't work like that. I always want my chart neat. I want it to be simple so that I will know what I'm actually looking out for on the chart, right? So I'm going to be clearing my charts now so can know what to expect for this week. Yeah, yeah. So you can see this is the weekly time frame. This is the weekly time frame chart. So you can see gold is really just been going up. It's just been spiking up for 2 months now. You can't imagine the highs, the buys that gold have been buying, like buying overall. And you can see this is the overall high on gold. This is the overall high on gold because when they make this chart more, like you would see that gold has not gotten to this level before. Yeah. So this is the overall high on gold. So we're actually just trading. Actually, we're trading what the market gives us. I'm not predicting that it's going to be a sell, right? Because the more you try to sell XAUSD, the more you keep getting your hand bumped. So I'm not predicting it's going to be a sell, but I'm going to be trading what the market tells me to trade. Even though the market says I should buy, I'll still buy and then put my target. Let me say 1:2 risk reward or 1:3 risk reward. Yeah, that's how I do my buys for now. I don't start selling just like that. If you keep selling, you can see if anybody has been selling, you keep blowing your account. Keep blowing your account. So it's a weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm going to be marking out this low. Yeah. I'm marking out this low for the weekly time frame. So if the market tells us now, like if the chart patterns or the smaller time frames tells us to start selling, then this will be our overall target for the weekly time frame. This will actually be overall target for the weekly time frame. So let's go to the daily. Yeah, so on the daily time frame, you can see this stuff here. This stuff here can serve as a support. It means that there might be a retracement here. So I'll be labeling this daily time frame. So you can see it's actually what is called a one candlestick retracement. So I'm not going to mark it out here. Go to marking out for here. So it actually is this pattern actually tells us that there might be a retracement. Say there's retracement. If there's a retracement, I'll be expecting that retracement to go below this zone. If it closes below this zone, then I'll confirm a sell to this level. I'll confirm a sell to this level, which is daily time frame. Yeah, so it's actually an uptrend, but between this, I'm going to be selling. But if it still tells us to keep buying, then I'll still buying. Keep buying. So yeah, let's check the 4 hours for each. Yeah. So the 4 hours looking interesting. 4 hours looking interesting. So yeah, on the 4 hours, you can see this high, which is the overall high. You can see this high on 4 hours. Now, I always like labeling my line. You see this line, which is overall high on the 4 hours, and you can see this stuff here, which is the low. So it's actually something like a box trading concept. It's actually like a box trading concept. So either way it works for us. The market chooses to buy, then we follow it. If it chooses to sell, then we follow it. We're not predicting anything. So actually this will be for tomorrow's stuff. So if it breaks below this low, then we're targeting here next. Targeting here next, right? Breaks below this low, then we're targeting here next. But if it breaks above this high, now we're taking a buy to like 1 is to 2 weeks reward or 1 is to 3 weeks reward, and we're done for the day. As simple as that. If it takes out the high, then we're taking buys 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3 weeks reward, we're done. If it takes out the low, now we're selling and taking profit here because this is the overall low on gold. If it still takes out this one, then we go right to that daily time frame low, which is this target, which is this. So if it takes out here, then we're going straight to here, which is this. So you can see this is actually what the chart is doing. We're not predicting, we're not saying it's going to be a buy. I'm not saying it's going to be a buy. I'm not saying it's going to be a sell. I'm just going to be reacting off whatever the market decides to do. So let's see to 1 hour. This is 1 hour. Yeah, so on the 1 hour, you can see this is like there's a low here, so it's signifying that this market is what is in this range, right? On signifying that this market is in this range, right? And then it's still you see this 4 hours low here. I'm using box to I'm using triangle to mark out this zone. So let me fill it so that yes, you can see this is our block here on the 1 hour, right? So you can see it's in the 4 hours and the 1 hour zone. So we're not going to predicting anything. So if it takes out this block, this is the next target, which is here. So if it takes out this block, this is the next 1 hour zone, which is here, right? So bring that to 1 hour. So you can see this is a 1 hour zone. So there's a 4 hours, there's a 1 hour zone there. So it signifies that let me check. Let's check it first. If you can see this 4 hours zone there. So it signifies that this is like a strong zone, right? This is like a strong zone. So I'm going to be clearing this box now. Maybe we'll just use this stuff. I'll use that box for reference purpose. I'll use that box for reference purpose. So before you buy in, you want to make sure that market has of taken the overall high before you're going in for a buy again. But if you want to sell, then maybe you want to see market takes out this low, then you take that sell without looking back to the next level, right? Take the sell to the next level. So let's see the 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame has it always looks exactly like the 1 hour. So you can see it also has a zone here. Also has a zone here. So maybe we want to be using normally our entry time frame is the 15 minutes, but the structure of the 15 minutes is not looking friendly because this is our overall target, right? This is where we want to be setting our TP. But the structure, let's see the 15-minute structure. The structure in the 15 minutes is like it's going to reduce our risk to reward from this trade because imagine we having a privilege to get an entry here from the 30 minutes that will give us the overall low, which is the target. But then this 15 minutes is going to be reducing our risk to reward. It's going to reduce our risk to reward. So instead of making about 200 pips, we're going to be making 140 pips if we take the setup from this zone, right? Let's calculate it. Let's calculate it. So if we have an entry from the 30-minute time frame, we have an entry from the 30-minute time frame. So we're going to be targeting about 200 pips, right? If you're having, for example, if you're having an entry from here, right? For example, we're going to be targeting 200 pips. But if we use the 15 minutes for entry, so I'm trying to explain something. Tell you that it's better. So normally 15 minutes is our entry time frame. But with this market condition, I'm going to be using 30 minutes. So you can see the 15-minute time frame. So you can see the 15-minute time frame, the 30-minute time frame, sorry, will be giving us a good risk to reward that we can even add positions from here, right? So making 20 pips here, making 14 pips here. But if you want to be very conservative, you can choose to use smaller time frame and take profit around here. But for me, sometimes I like to take the risk. I like to take it hard. So the way to be working with whatever I see today. So for the sales, like I said, for the sales, I'm looking at something like taking a trade off this zone here from the 30-minute time frame and then targeting here as TP, which is the 1 hour target, right? So this is what I'm going to be doing. So if market finally takes out this at TP, then it's going to be seeing waterfall or gold. Next year, TP level will be here. Next TP level will be here. It's going to keep falling, 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 falling. That if market takes out this low actually. So I think that'll be all for today because I broke down everything. I've calmed down, took my time, broke down everything, explain the entry confluence, the time frame to use for entry. So I think that'll be all for today. And if you're a member of this channel, make sure to click that subscribe button, turn on post notification, turn on post notification, like this video, also like this video so that you can recommend it to others to watch. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel because you don't want to miss any of the episodes. Yeah. So one last thing, you could connect your trend line from here to this level to support our 30-minute time frame confluence. Because if we're selling now, we need to get good confirmation that it's a sell. So if market takes out this our low, it's going to be taking out the trend line too. Don't you understand? Yeah. Going to be taking out the trend line too. So it takes out this trend line too. It's really showing us that yes, we safe to take this 200 pips trade. So I think that'll be all for today. Just make sure you like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.